Gradient 3D Icon Pack is an Android application designed to elevate the aesthetics of smartphones by offering a collection of uniquely designed icons featuring gradient effects and a three-dimensional appearance. This app targets users who aim to personalize their devices with a modern and stylish look. Key features of Gradient 3D Icon Pack typically include a vast array of high-quality icons that incorporate vibrant gradient colors and depth, creating a visually striking effect on home screens. The icons are often crafted to represent a wide range of apps and functionalities, ensuring comprehensive coverage for users. The application is usually compatible with various popular launchers, allowing effortless application of the icons. Additionally, Gradient 3D may come with matching wallpapers and widgets to enhance the overall visual experience. Overall, Gradient 3D Icon Pack is perfect for users seeking to transform their Android device into a visually captivating and contemporary interface that expresses personal style.